you're back. Well, while you were gone, we did a nice little tank flush. As you can see, everything's all wet. But we're gonna go over disconnecting the sewer hose. So now that you flushed your black first, then your gray, and flush all the black out, and you've closed all your tanks, now we're gonna take the hose off. Now, a lot of people wanna wear gloves. I'm not going to in this video. It was clean water and a new hose. So we're gonna go ahead and do this side first. Quickly put your cap on there. Remember, that's gray water. Nothing to be alarmed. Whoa, that's gray water too. And then we're just gonna go ahead and, I call it wafting the hose. You can call it whatever you want. I'm just gonna go down the line, let the hose empty out there. Looks fantastic. All right. And then we're gonna get our cap, remember, claw. It's always best to have your things in arm's length so you can do these things. So remember that if you put the cap on and you try to get this thing to suction down, it's gonna be too much air in there, it's gonna force it up. So you want the cap off while you come down this way. Just lay it down. So we're gonna leave these connected because we're gonna put them in the bumper that way. But here's where you'd wanna disconnect if you had a bin or something. You would disconnect this and put your cap on. But we're gonna continue on, shrinking her down all the way to here, and then get your connection that's not the right one. Grab the right connection. We're gonna do that. It's gray water, it's fine. And then we're gonna unscrew this. Put your cap back on. Just a few turns, it's fine. And then we're gonna wanna have some Lysol. Just spray it down with some Lysol, any bacteria that was on it. Keep it from getting funky. I'm just gonna feed it in. As you can see on this, it's got the straight edges here. Those will go along the left hand side of the bumper to fit it right straight in there. And you just feed it in there nice and slow. You get to here, turn it just a little ways, you get these knobs in the corners. And feed it in a little bit more. Keep until you get all the way, and then it's gonna push on you. Release that pressure that I was talking about. There we go. Screw it back on. And you're just gonna find those flat spots again. Right here, it's flat spots. Put it in there, like that. Put your cover on. And you've stowed your hose. Still have your rack. Just collapse your rack. Wherever the handle is, you're gonna strap the handle up. You're gonna stow it back in your RV. And that's how you do your sewer hose.